most important theorem. A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका वर्तुळाच्या स्पर्शबिंदूतून काढलेल्या त्रिज्येला लंब असते. In a circle with a center O of a tangent line L, point of contact is A. To draw a radius OA through point of contact, therefore given O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये रेषा L वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका आहे. स्पर्शबिंदू A मधून काढलेली त्रिज्या OA आहे. गिवन पक्ष line L is a tangent to the circle with center O at the point of contact A. O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका L आहे आणि स्पर्शबिंदू A आहे. To prove line L is a perpendicular to radius OA. This line L is a perpendicular to the radius OA. Proof. Assume that the line L is not perpendicular to segment OA. सिद्धता. समजा रेषा L ही OA या रेषाखंडास लंब नाही असे आपण समजू. In a figure 2, segment OB is a drawn perpendicular to line L. फिगर 2 मध्ये रेख OB हा रेषा L ला लंब काढला. Hence, point B and A are not same because the line L we have to consider not perpendicular to segment OA, and to construct in a figure 2 segment OB is a perpendicular to line L. Hence point A and B are not same. पहा रेषा L ही रेख OA ला लंब नाही असे आपण मानलेले आहे आणि दुसऱ्या आकृतीमध्ये रेख OB हा रेषा L ला परपेंडिक्युलर लंब काढलेला आहे. म्हणून बिंदू A आणि B हे दोन भिन्न बिंदू आहेत. Now take a point C on line L such that AB is a congruent to BC and point B lies between A and C, that is A dash B dash C. आकृती 2 मध्ये बिंदू C हा रेषा L वर अशा रीतीने घेतलेला आहे की रेख AB एकरूप रेख BC आणि B हा बिंदू A आणि C च्या दरम्यान आहे. In a figure 2, form two triangle. In a triangle OBC and triangle OBA. In these two triangle, segment BC is a congruent segment AB. It is a construction. Angle OBC is a congruent angle OBA, each of 90 degree. Segment OB is a congruent segment OB. It is a common side. Therefore, in these two triangle OBC is a congruent triangle OBA by using SAS test. When two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are also congruent. Hence, segment OC is a congruent segment OA because the corresponding side of congruent triangle OC is a congruent to OA. But segment OA is a radius shown in a figure 1. Therefore, segment OC is also radius because OC is a congruent to OA. Therefore, point C lies on the circle because it is a radius and O is the center of circle. Therefore, the point C lies on the circle. That means line L intersect the circle in two distinct points A and C. Therefore, line L intersect the circle in two distinct points A and C because the OC is equal to OA, both are radius. But line L is a tangent. It is a given in a figure or in a theorem. Therefore, by using tangent, tangent touches to circle in only one point. Therefore, line L is not perpendicular to segment OB. Hence, line L is a perpendicular to segment OA. Hence, it is a proof. Tangent at any point of circle is a perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. म्हणून वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका स्पर्शबिंदूतून काढलेल्या त्रिज्येला लंब असते, हे सिद्ध होईल.